Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my new channel. Yeah, the name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so as I've already told you, I'll be doing a new episode on this fresh and new channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do justice to it. Yeah, so here we also talk about how to make money online, how to do investments, and at times to talk about tech. Yeah, so today I want to introduce you to a new USDT mining company. Yeah, I've already talked about this on my other channel, but here I want us to start everything from scratch so that you understand what I was talking about in my other channel. Yeah, so the name of the platform is called Quantoken. So I'll leave their link in my description. So if you want to join, that's your own thing. Yeah. So no time to waste. After clicking on my referral link and joining this platform, you will get free 20 USDT. Yeah. So you can start your mining with the free $20 and you do your quantifying trading. Yeah. So if you open your personal, this is how it looks like. Have you seen that the contract wallet is what $20? That's 20 USDT. So this one is for free after clicking on mine referral link. Yeah. So after clicking on it, you can use this one to do your trading, but this one will last for only 1 day. So after 1 day, it will vanish. So let's assume that today you start and you do your quantitative trading. After 1 day, it will vanish and you will draw your profit. So before you can continue doing this thing, unless you deposit 10 USDT, that's equivalent to 130 cedis in Ghana currency. Yeah, so first of all, I want to show you how you can recharge your account, and after that we will start doing the quantitative trading, and I'll show you how you withdraw your money too. So let me go to recharge, and the recharge, you have to choose the amount you want to recharge. So let's assume you're choosing $10 from here. When you go to your Binance or XNET account, you have to withdraw 10 exactly. So if you withdraw 11, it will not come. Yeah, so let's start with $10. Yeah, so I'll go to recharge, and they will take you to different place to generate a TRC20 for you to copy. Yeah, so have you seen it? Yeah, so I'll copy my TRC20. So there's it. I'll copy it. So I'll copy it and go to XNext. The reason why I mostly recommend XNext for you is that XNext is very easy for you to withdraw your money to your Momo account. Yeah, that's why I'll mostly recommend XNext for you. Yeah. So the network is very slow, but let me wait for a short time. It will log inside. Yeah, so right now I'm in my XNext account. So this is how you will do it. You go to withdraw because I'm withdrawing money from here to my Quant token wallet. Sorry. So I'll click on the withdrawal. You will come to your withdrawal and you choose, you shouldn't choose mobile money, you choose USDT. Yeah. So the link you copied from your this thing, like your a Quant token, you come and paste the link over here. You see, you come and paste it over here. Then you enter the amount you chose. Like I choose 10. So then I'll click on what continue. Continue. So when you're using XNS, they will send you some code, like some code for you to verify it's you. Yeah, so they'll send you some code in your on your SMS so that you confirm everything. So let me wait for the code. Yeah, so I received the code. So then I will enter the code here 957 9. Then it will verify if it's you. So after that, yeah, verification successful, confirm. So I'm transferring $10 from my Exchange account to my Quant token. Yeah, so right now I've issued a transaction. So let's wait if I will get it in my Quant token wallet. Yeah. So that is how you do your transaction from Xness to your Quant token. Yeah, and this is how you do it. Yeah. So let's wait for our $10 to reflect in our accounts. After that, I will show you how you do your quantitative trading, because today I want to show you everything from scratch, because I've done a lot of videos about this, and it seems most of you people didn't get it from the scratch. Yeah, because I was rushing right here. So that's why today I want to do everything step by step. So let's wait small so that the $10 will reflect in our accounts. Yeah, so let me check my accounts. So right now Xness have sent me a message that they have sent the money. So I've seen that right now I have $172 in my account. So it was $172. So right now it means that the 10 USD have been transferred to my Quant token account. So let me reflect it and let me see whether it will be in my account. So right now I've seen that the coin price is worth $10. So it means that it's in my account right now. It's in my account right now. So 20 plus 10 is what is 30. So yeah. So this how you do it. First of all, you go to quantify and you go towards quantitative trading. This how you do your USDT mining. You just click on it and it will just mine for you. It will just what mine for you. This how it works. So every day you have 5 times to trade. Every day you have five times to trade. So today you have free 20 USDT. So after using it today to get your today's earnings, this contract wallet will disappear unless you transfer the coin pairs to the contract wallet to purchase VIP one. That one it will be there forever, and you will use that one to mine forever. Yeah. And one thing about this is like if you deposit your first 10 USDT, you have to contact their service, their customer service, and the person will give you free 4 USDT as a welcome bonus. That's how it works. Yeah, the network's not like working for me at all. The network. I don't know. I don't know. The network is not working out for me at all. Nah, the network is not working for me at all. The network. Yeah. So this how you do it, and I think we will continue on from this section. Yeah, we'll continue from this section. Yeah, same time tomorrow. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.